Welcome to my channel, Mango Monkey Learns Money. I have been going over my finances recently and I suddenly realized that almost everybody can become a millionaire. All they gotta do is understand how money works, how to save money, how to make money, and how to grow money like a mango tree. Unfortunately, the majority of people I come across seem to have trouble to save money. I know many people who still cannot save for a 5% deposit to purchase a home after trying for a number of years. Therefore, I started this YouTube channel to share with you what I learned throughout my saving money and making money journey. I want to show every single one of you that it is possible to become a millionaire by understanding money a little bit better. There are more than 1 million millionaires in Australia alone. That's just under 5% of the population. Money creates wealth, and I think of my wealth as water inside a bucket. I can become wealthy by having more water coming into the bucket or by patching up the holes in my bucket so less water leak out. To me, this is a fundamental concept of becoming wealthy. I do not aim to be a multi-millionaire. I think having $1 million is already more than enough. It is already enough for you to become financially independent and not have to work too hard. I'm not a financial advisor and I do not have any license that allows me to give you financial advice. I also believe I'm still learning about finance and about life. I do not have a teaching qualification or anything like that. I am lazy and I do not research much, and sometimes I'm wrong. So in my channel, I'm not going to give you any form of advice whatsoever. I'm not going to teach you anything, and you cannot hold me responsible for anything. But I'm confident with the stuff I talk about, so if you want to follow this random dude on YouTube, then feel free to do so after you consult your own advisors to double check what you see here. I aim to make one video each day. I live in Sydney, Australia, but I also try to make sure that my videos are relevant to people around the world, particularly for you guys in the United States. So I'll try to upload my videos based on the following structure. On Monday, I will be uploading money saving tips. A lot of these will be specific to people living in Australia, but you can try to find similar things in your country as well. On Tuesday, I will be uploading videos on stock investing for beginners. These will have a bit of an Australian twist, although the majority of the concepts can be adapted for other countries as well. On Wednesday, I will be uploading videos on real estate investing for Australians. Thursday will be a day I dedicate specifically for my US audience, talking about US stocks or US news. By the way, this will be Thursday Sydney time. Sydney is usually 15 hours faster than New York, so it may be Wednesday for you. On Friday, I will be talking about basic concepts of money, and these videos are definitely applicable worldwide. Saturday will be the day I will talk to you about side hustle ideas. If I don't know what to talk about, I will probably talk about some random stuff as well. On Sunday, I will be talking about Australian stock picks, or random stuff if I'm too lazy to research a particular stock. So that is my upload schedule. If you feel like you can gain something by listening to me talking on YouTube, please do subscribe to my channel to help the channel grow. You will also be notified when I release a new video. If you only want to watch a particular topic, you can just ignore the notifications or turn them off, and just tune in on one of the days I have mentioned before. I'll see you shortly.